Proof that a beautiful relationship can exist even before meeting face to face.
What? What is going on?
Will it have lights in it?
This?
What the just happened?
Oh my god!
No, you jumped over these double big.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my!
Oh,
When you're both after the same thing, you always find a way.
these two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
Why'd you bring your kid to my bed?
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Excuse.
Since when does baking need a sous chef supervising the process like an audition for a Michelin star bakery? Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
Bless you, 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 bless you.
He was all white and fluffy. Now he's living his best mud life.
Confused about the mirror test, yet they find scenes like this absolutely fascinating.
Oh, buddy.
In the house. What's wrong with you?
So chunky.
Guess who's turning an easygoing dude's laziness into their own personal source of value and comfort?
Is the cactus your best friend?
Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know, they're gonna fight us. Come on.
Go on, man. Nana!
Är det det?
dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust.
You jumped over these double big.
Look at the camera so we can take our picture. Smile. Don't yawn, smile.
Oh?
They just gave it to me. And now it lives in my...
You jumped over these double big.
Work. I have to go to work. I have to.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my... Is Karen? Is this...
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
Don't try it.
No! Oh, Michael!
What's that? You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
It wouldn't be right if kittens lived together without having some fun wrestling matches. How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
Oh, hello.
That rich laugh paid my bill.
Are you gonna get it? Go again? Oh my god. Oh!
Don't try it.
No! Oh, Michael!
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
Yeah, typical Monday.
There you go.
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen. It's good.
Yeah!
So long. Roll by. You are so great. Locked in? Oh my gosh, that must be really stressful.
Yeah, sometimes the door isn't the problem.
Yeah, that must be really hard for you, buddy.
This was Friday night, so start TV.
Huh?
He found the perfect stick.
Du-te voi și lucrează, vei. Du-te voi măcar să te vadă șoarece, vei. Văd trânturile, vei. Ieri ai dornită, azi dorni. Trezește-te, vei, putoare, vei, odată și...
You're evil. Evil, evil. Oh! Booba! Booba! What?
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Ellie? What do you think you're doing?
Ah, not this furball is helping the human by blocking his entire...
Понятно.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
Okay, calm down.
Ellie? What do you think you're doing?
I told you he was a little kitty. I thought he was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep...
Why are you bring him over here?
Let's see what he's doing.
You could pet me. I'm sorry.
To schedule your consultation with one of our
Oh my god.
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Marshmallow! Get you a big camera.
What are you doing, honey bun? You get your tail.
Hi, Pinkle.
There you go. Woo! Next. It's okay.
I'm so beautiful.
Okay, I don't think Mango look.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my.
Chunky.
I'm.
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah!
Not gonna lie, this looks more entertaining than the actual Super Bowl.
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
I know you're so adorable, but I have to go to work. I know, I have to go to work.
It's literally just like adults acting like fools to entertain tiny toddlers, right?
Spider cat, does whatever a spider cat does. Can he swing from a web? No, he can't, he's just...
Oh, buddy.
Mimi? Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
No!
What's up? Oh my god.
Try not to let your cat pet you.
She ain't moving. What are you doing?
Oh, good boy. You gonna miss chomping the people?
Look at the camera so we can take our picture. Smile. Don't yawn. Smile.
Happy one.
You're what?
Ryan.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Is it time for smelling salts? What's this?
Oh, stay. Stay.
Felix gets so excited his ears can't hide it.
Mimi? Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop! Raggy!
Oh? Ow!
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No man.
Please stay. Stay.
Okay.
Don't be scared of the kitty.
Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know they're gonna fight us. Come on.
is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you! Come on out. Aw. Hi, Ellie. It's 2 a.m. Do you want to go out? Yeah? Go show me. Show me. Oh, is that hot?
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
Daisy clearly does not support sharing attention.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
Oh?
Oh, what's up there?
Miss Johnson!
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
If you're finished, feel free to hang up.
Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Meow.
The dog's like, actually, big dogs are way more patient with kittens than cats are. What a perfect duo.
Oh my god!
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to
This.
Și să mi-i pliculești cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită.
I had to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
Bless you, 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 bless you.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
This is why you don't climb on the freaking counters. A God's bean. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Ah! Oh, good boy. You gonna miss chomping the people?
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Huh?
So cute.
我吃饱了，消完了，去完厕所了。
Looks like someone is.
Bang, bang. Good girl. Speak. Speak.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Okay.
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you. The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
What are you doing?
Oh no. Oh no.
You jumped over these double big.
And my head hit the wall.
So the nature.